Hello, this is the recording for IS323Week6. The discussion this week is due on Wednesday. You have 3 elements, and it's talking about one of the reasons web became popular was because it made the process of publishing your HTML pages easier. Research the web for some potential places you could publish your own website, and select your favorite based on costs and other factors and share your decision with the class. What is the process you would use to get your web pages deployed to this site? What do you think is a good process to use for selection of a good website hosting company, and what factors should be considered? Cite your sources using APA, and don't forget your in-text citation. You need 2 replies by Sunday at 11:69 p.m. The Week 6 assignment is due Sunday. You're to complete the United States case, Rhetoric in the United States case problem 1 from tutorial 8. So it starts out looking like this at the top, and then you're going to add a multimedia, and that's how it'll look. And that's the assignment. For Week 6 quiz is due Sunday. It can only be taken once. Sample rate is the number of samples of audio carried per second measured in hertz or kilohertz. 1 kilohertz being 1000 hertz. In digital audio using pulse code modulation, bit depth is the number of bits of information in each sample, and it directly corresponds to the resolution of each sample. OGVorbs is a file compression format designed for web audio and is open source and royalty-free format. Musical instrumentation digital interface composition is smaller than a WAV or an MP3 file, but cannot include speech. In the Object tab, the Type attribute indicates the type of data to be embedded. A web video text tracks file consists of several time entries, each marked with a time stamp. Know what parameter used to identify the video file to be played in a Flash player page. That's on page 617. The attribute volume equals value of the QuickTime plugin sets the initial volume where value ranges from 0 to 255. Know what QuickTime is, page 589. A small web format file can provide real-time interactive animation for the viewer. The parameter ID identifies the embedded Flash movie so that it can be referenced in the Flash player. An applet is displayed as an embedded object on your web page in an applet window. The fade zone parameter causes the text in the applet window to fade in and out as it scrolls. You would use the object element to create a background sound that follows XHTML specifications and other media clips in order to be compatible with W3C specifications. Multimedia is displayed within a web page in a fashion similar to an inline image. The trade-off of increasing the sampling rate is that it increases the size of the sound file. By default, audio controls are displayed in line with the text level elements. A video file typically contains 2 codecs, one codec for audio and another for the video images. The frequency is the speed at which the sound wave moves, and it relates to the sound's pitch. That's all I have. Not many of those were in the book, so that's why I have most of the information on the quiz, and I hope it will help. That's all I have for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know.